from India. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm playing Fortnite Solos Arena. 1 second. I'll just request my buddy to come and join me. So yesterday we both were playing. Yeah, we both were grinding points like hell. Sorry, I was playing bad luck. Are you listening?
Yeah. No, I'm listening to my song.
Exactly, I heard it. Oops. Okay, it doesn't. So where you wanna land? Holly? We'll get some decent kills. School. I got the chest in the bungalow. I mean the garden. Okay, I got a blue pump.
I got a
Oh, that's good. That's good. I got some pump. Woods up over here.
Okay, take this.
What? Oh, thanks. So I have only close range weapon. You have a medium range weapon. There's a guy.
Take this one here.
Oh shit, dude. Oh, thanks for the cover. I can crank a 90.
Oh, one coming.
I see that.
Should I push in? No, just hide. Alright, I took the grey, yeah? Okay, let's start. Yeah.
1 second.
Hello, Mars.
Yeah. Come here, dude. You saw him?
No.
Okay, so I think I saw him.
Front.
Come on, go in. Thanks. Crouching.
It's down.
I think, yeah.
I'll take a pistol also.
Come on. Okay. Pull out your AR. 30 crack. Oh shit, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, you got him.
Somehow got him.
Data. Take any one of those two.
I'll take both the no problem.
Yeah, that's okay. A guy coming? You got siphon?
Bro, it's one shot. Exactly one. Okay, got.
Oh sh! Good boy. Alright!
Ready.
Wait a second.
This I'll only play one match.
Alright. Same. Fever.
Yeah, you should just fever.
I don't know, is it a good symptom? Because if you have fever, that means the vacuum is working. But how much heart do you have?
1,445.
And you call yourself a bot? Oh my god.
Yes. I'm such a bot. I need to get like 8. First drop I want shotgun.
Or yours?
I think after the year maybe.
You shouldn't be that bad.
Bro, what the snake? Why is my FPS so bad now?
I rock on 60 FPS literally every day.
And I will log in 16 FPS also.
VPN, come on. We go in VPN.
Why? It's not giving me like logged FPS.
I get it's not clock.
Like OP, remember yesterday I told you that's the best landing spot? Just land over there. We got so good loot and hardly a
Yeah.
that it
But they
doesn't
remove the
spawn.
kind. They remove the method.
I think yeah. I need a shorty. Oh, I remember me and Provoke getting a win over here. It was so good. Oh, let's go! A sniper, and a shotgun. Let's go. Oh, shotgun over there, sniper over here.
I also need a sniper.
If anyone gets a launch pad, just tell us. No, I have that. Oh, there's a chest over here.
Is that a bomb?
No, that don't. I just found a tag. I think we need to rotate. Same. Alright, take the zipline, guys. Take the zipline. Oh no, we do not have much of gold either. Take the zipline. Take the zipline and go there.
Oh my god, that FPS.
Alright. And there's a small house. There's a chest right over there near OP. There'll be one above us. I think we need to hit lazy.
People are shooting.
Where?
Sniping.
I wanna
Oh, let's go.
I wanna literally. I want to literally match the.
Oh, give me a sniper.
May I have the mini? Because I'm the only person who does not have health. I mean shields. Can I have? Oh, that guy over there.
The siren.
Dude, that guy almost got shot. Below.
Oh
He shot you?
No, it almost went beside me. Take this
There's
big
sniper
one.
now. Oh, yep, there.
Oh, it's a trio.
Crack, 20.
Oh my
Obviously,
god.
it's
See, it's a god game. So there and there.
Crack, double tap 20.
Crack one.
See, dude, the heavy is so good. Just like use it as a pistol. Like the way you shoot a pistol, just use it like that. I think we need to rotate. Guys, rotate.
Take this Raj.
Which one?
Give me sniper ammo.
I have only 3. No, I have only 1. Guys, rotate. Guys, rotate. Trust me, you guys don't want to mess. Already we are.
Attack from behind.
They also have some common sense. They are also living beings. They know how it feels.
They might attack from behind.
They might, yeah.
They might be good.
Then it may be plan B. How long is it? Oh my god, 200. Okay, 200 meters, not bad.
I'm just seeing behind if they don't attack.
Okay. If you can sprint from behind, then you
I'm
may.
gonna build a wall.
Okay, there's a launch pad in that thing. That headquarter.
Yeah.
That's a jump pad. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Alright. I think I'm lagging behind you guys. No, do not try to shoot anyone.
Oh no. Without shooting, how do you go?
You building up?
I guess it's soul or something.
Yeah, the teammate might leave them. With you guys.
Come over here. Push.
Where? Okay, come here. Dude, we are gonna go in the zone. OP, do you have a bit of like sniper ammo? I just have 1.
I'm landing here.
I have 1. How much do you have?
Take it.
No, it's okay.
Where do you guys land?
Where is that guy?
Almost shot a snipe. Oh, do you have?
So
Okay.
hard. It's 300 meters. How is this?
Oh my god, I could have tested my new skills. Wait, is that what I think it is?
I'm taking the
Take the pump.
There's a campfire here.
No, not right now. People might know. Should I push that guy?
Which guy?
The person who we tried to snipe. Oh my god, finally some minis.
Wait.
Don't have minis, but I have. Oh!
Guys, you see that guy? Oh my god.
No, see the build fight out there.
Yeah. Dude. Can you give me 1 sniper ammo? Just 1.
I have a build one.
Here.
Dude, I needed attack.
You get sniper ammo now.
Wait a second, just okay. I know where we can go. Go to gas station.
If you need attack.
Yeah, pug green tack. Where is it? So that's a like what do you call that? Yeah, go to a gas station. Do you think we need to boat spam them?
But car is better than a boat.
I don't. The builds are like, of course, the builds are fresh, but I don't see anyone.
No, there are people out there.
That may be. All right, dude, guys, we are top 9. I did not even realize about the time. Wait,
I see.
Can you kill one? Flash.
I sniped one guy.
Is that one? Good.
I'm coming.
Did you knock anyone?
I knocked one guy. That's what I'm telling.
Okay.
We can push.
I do not have the most health.
I'm pushing.
Okay, I saw.
I'm pushing.
Wait, go.
Okay, let's go. One animation. Okay, I have 900.
Oh, still have sniper ammo. Nice.
Above.
Us, yeah. I see that guy. Oh, they might have a launch pad with.
Yeah,
1 second. OP. Obi, before you do anything, dude, can I have the sniper ammo? Just one.
I'll just split it.
Yeah, that's it.
I can't hear it. Remember, I knocked her somewhere here.
Oh, I don't have no mats.
Where did I remember I sniped this fella here.
Wait a second. We need to find the launch pad first. That's the first thing we need to find.
I guess they're somewhere down or in some bush because I never saw any.
Ah!
Or
Sorry, I took fall damage. I took fall damage.
Okay.
Okay. Somebody has a medkit. Behind us. Come on, just a medkit. I need a medkit. Nothing else.
this is launch
Oh,
pad.
people are here.
I'm gonna freaking kill them. I wanna kill them so badly.
Okay, I think we need to launch pad up.
Someone just changed.
I'm gonna use the launch pad. I'm gonna use the launch pad and then go to the
The team.
yeah, the gas station.
Invite Lal.
Where are they?
Oh my god, we didn't tell her to go also.
Sorry. I said gas station. Let's go. All the heals are free.
Wait, don't burst.
I'm not gonna burst yet. One second, do not burst completely. Okay. I thought I could have some help.
People behind us.
Where?
I just
I think that
I guess they're in the middle.
the
I will save my gold.
you're gonna push them.
Where are they?
They're hidden.
Cowards, come out. Oh, I think. Wait, is that you, OP, who shot right now?
No. Oh, I see.
Ah, he's behind me. A soccer skin, a white soccer skin. In the bush.
Which bush?
The corn bush. Just near my roof car.
Frame.
See?
Tag.
No. Enable sound effects. Enable like visual sound effects.
Oh my freaking god.
I mean.
Oh my god, I'm
Bro, silver.
Silver tag him. Not bad.
Oh no!
Top 6, not bad. Alright, I think we should never land over there.
Who eats breakfast at 12?
Breakfast at 12 o'clock. I have.
It's already 2.
Whatever.
I have breakfast at 12 o'clock.
Okay, fine. Bye. I didn't know. Alright,
I think that's have to do is okay. Alright, I just need 8 more kills. Oh, 1 sec. It will show tonem for 1 second. Oh, Lal Rang joined.
Lallu. How did he get this game?
No, he like had the shape. He
That
shape
God
shifted.
game.
He shape shifted. Okay, I just need 8 more arena points, then I am in Division 4.
I love this.
I'm a controller player actually. I have the skin in my PS4 account.
Yes, I know you got it in the Epic.
No! The skin is only available for people. Yeah. Jagad. I did a lot of Jagad.
But even I have it now.
But not for long.
Bro, I scoped the guy so much. Last match.
When I tune into the match, I'll be a default.
I will be shot.
OP, you know, if you want a sniper, if you want to be good at sniper, you know, I have a map.
What?
It's the no scope sniper shootout.
Oh.
It says no scope, but it is like you can use a scope in. Lal Rang, how much like hype do you have?
How much what?
Hype points, arena
High
points.
70. Because I don't care.
Oh my god! I think but OP and I are like grinding like hell.
Nah.
920, I'm 920.
I don't get the point.
Because
For
no
fun, you know,
UFOs.
for competitive. Yeah, who plays solos right now? But it's so boring.
Dude, I can get the bundle itself for 1,200 because I have the glide I can grab.
Which one?
Summer Drifter.
Oh. Buy it then.
But then I won't be able to buy the battle pass.
I don't know.
Lal Rang, okay.
I can't buy the next battle pass. But then I
Lal
won't be
Rang.
able to buy
Lal Rang, okay, I'll give you a piece of advice. You know the crew pack, right? Just subscribe for 1 month, you know.
Yeah, I can't spend it.
Just subscribe for 1 month.
This much you can't spend it.
Exactly.
You bought
My parents also disagree like first time when I told them about the crew pack, and then I said for 1 month you do payment and all, everything is okay. I'll manage it. So if you buy it in the mid
mid of any month.
and mid of any month, it will go till 30 days. So so I got the Loki skin, the battle pass of this season, and also the battle pass of last season, and also the mecha team leader. I haven't got the 1000 V-Bucks yet. The mecha team leader crew pack.
I put this back.
Which one? Oh my god, dude, where did we spawn?
Wait, I message the gamer saying I'm not playing on.
Bonnie, let's go to Bonnie.
Bonnie.
Yeah, it may be sweaty, but somehow I just need 80 more points. That
I
means
need
15.
How much do I need? I need 17.
Wait, what is 15 times 4? 60. Okay. Then 75, and then
We'll try to get
yeah. At least we need to come top. Whatever. We just need to grind. Play it safe, play it grind.
Where are you, man? This will not be correct time.
Who went AFK?
Lal Rang went AFK and it's like we are lazy like or something.
Shit.
I got a blue.
OP. Oh yeah, land over.
That's a blue bomb. That's a blue bomb.
Blue tack. Trust me, get the blue tack. It's worth it.
Come.
Would you choose a
1 second. No.
Obviously,
See, I'll tell you the chart. In the worst case situation, grape pump,
cleaver option is the best.
grape pump.
Alien artifacts here by the way.
I don't
I don't care about the alien artifacts.
Nice.
Oh, let's go, dude. I wanted to make a FAMAS. Shut up, please. I wanted to make a FAMAS and I can make it finally. The FAMAS is so good.
I'm distributing.
The blue FAMAS is so good. I can at least spam people with it.
Yeah.
You guys really need to try it once.
My
Alright guys, next stop over there.
one guy will be there.
Yeah, but the manager is
Who is the control? It's a trio. There's a trio.
Where?
In that house where I just pointed. I just saw 3 footsteps in my screen.
Let's go outside that house.
Yeah, let's go last house. Like silent.
No one is.
See? No, ignore them.
Ah. Oh.
Lal Rang, can you, I mean OP, can you give me the, what do you call that? OP, can you give me the, some, okay, nothing.
Oh. Oh, doggy.
Crack the car, not the person in it.
Oh.
There's a guy behind me.
Cover.
Come on. There are two of them.
I got one kid.
It's healing. I got two people. Really low.
1 second. Do 1 HP, just one. Okay, now I do not know how many kills.
Really need to try right out.
I got 3 kills.
Hey. Carry me.
Oh shit. Now this is the reason we should not mess with that thing.
No, I only put the fire.
आग ना बहुत dangerous चीज होती है. Get the medkit, bro. Pop the medkit behind you. There's a medkit behind you. And then you get no, the fire hitting it. And you know, take my car and then you will be able to reboot both of us together.
Obviously, I'm gonna take a maximum.
I'm calling you.
Loser.
Alright, in this area, whatever thing is there, those all are mine.
Hey, my car.
I took your card.
Thank you, OP. You know, after so many years, a person is rebooting me.
Why? Your friends used to do
I got 3 kills.
I used to get ditched by people. क्या बोलो मेरा जिंदगी के बारे में मेरे पास नहीं तो कोई दोस्त है खेलने के लिए Seriously, I live in a locality where I'm the only kid.
You are really nice. I have friends.
Exactly. My best friend is literally texting me right now.
OP, bro.
Exactly, just like your name, OP.
what?
Dude, because of that fire, I killed 3 people.
Dude, one more kill. Just literally 1 or 2 more kills, then I'll have like.
I'll
buy the summer dress. I'll be able to buy the
Whatever you like, bro. Whatever you like. हम लोग कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. Poppy, no, that chest is mine. And I got married.
I'm carrying fire.
Should I buy it or not? Summer dress?
I do not know. I haven't bought anything like for so long.
I like it, dude. I want to buy it.
Oh, we also get match like as we get rebooted.
Yeah.
I thought match. I thought like match used to be reset. Seriously, hardly I get
Come, let's go to
rebooted.
the cosmic chest.
Where?
See, it's there on the map.
Acha, let's go. 4th cosmic chest.
I need to do aim training.
Who, me?
Aim
Bro, I'm one of the best sniper. You watch my videos, you watch my videos, you see it.
Yeah, you have a YouTube channel?
Yep, I have a YT.
With 20 subs.
Yeah, I have 20 subs.
I don't think I have.
Where is the dude? I can't see. Oh, it is over here. Let's get it.
You know, I'm going with this.
Yeah, like he really knocked 2 people with one.
Probably.
What? Yesterday, me, Fluent, and
Me.
Venom
Yeah.
Strike were playing. Okay.
OP, come here.
People came and most of one guy, but the other guy.
OP, we are waiting.
I can't.
Bro, I wanted to do a Mythbuster. Or like Lal Rang, you know, can you like do the shape shifting emote? For me.
No. Wait, one second.
I think it opens.
Gold pass.
One
Take
second.
it. I'm take it.
Ah, minis, let's go. Acha, you have okay. Gold star.
You got a gold star.
It's okay. But be very careful, huh?
Sometimes I feel gold pumps are running.
Yeah, dude, you know they hit for 30 and all.
Yes.
Oh yeah, one more thing. Lal Rang, you know, whenever you're trying to shoot a guy with a gold spar, na, think positive, like this is gonna hit for 200. Then it is actually gonna hit for 200.
Take someone.
Bro,
If I think it's gonna hit 200, it will never hit 200.
I'm dead. I got. That's the guy with the sniper. He does not know how. Behind us. Lal Rang, don't worry. I have one more method. Lal Rang, I have one more method.
Yeah, I have a method. Hey, shit.
Emote करने का मन हो रहा है. Bro, how is he shooting us through that? Acha, over there. Yes, do it. Burn them.
Oh, they're getting down.
Cracked one. Got one. Don't worry, I got you. Just kill that guy.
Kill Lal.
Kill the guy below us.
Okay, 48 headshot crack.
Oh, because my earphone just fell down.
Yeah. Take me fast.
Oh my god, dude, I forgot this kid has this spam.
Really? Bruh.
I only gave him
There are two people. I got knocked. He has full HP. Let's go! 1,400, 1,040, 1,045! Let's go!
Happy.
Yeah, let's go! Let's go! First time! Let's go!
Your voice.
Why?
Sara also wants to
Wait a
be
second.
elections.
Oh, okay, that. I have another advantage. I got 100 V-Bucks. Let's go. I got 100 V-Bucks. Let's go.
Sorry,
Bro, why Lal? One second. I'm gonna call my friend. I'm calling my best friend, okay? Yo, Prey, sup, dude? Hello? Sup, dude? How is Rocky? Bro, no, bro, I'm actually playing. Yeah, I mean, I'm playing. Apun खेल रहा है वो. यार बाद में फोन करूँगा हाँ आज रात.
Your friend.
ठीक है, bye यार. Alright, sorry for that.
You will be saying yaar every single day.
Bro, thank God I plugged out my earphone.
Cosmic.
Lal Rang, say another word.
Yeah, what?
Say another word in Hindi. A word in Hindi.
मेरा नाम लाल है.
Say it again, Lal Rang. Dude, he sounds literally like my friend.
He's a friend.
No, like literally the person I was talking. He literally sounds like my friend I was talking with.
Dude, I got 4 kills, bro.
I am your friend.
I got 3 kills, bro.
No, I got 2.
1040. Let's go. First time at Division 4. अभी मतलब आएगा.
Who invited this? Cosmic wants I'm picking you.
Bro, pura mood. Bro, put your party private. Sorry.
It's public.
Yeah, bruh.
It's private.
Then who is inviting these people?
Lal.
La-
Okay, we'll call
Ready.
what else things do you have?
Racer, Racer, Armadillo, and
That's nice. You have only item shop ones. Didn't I gift you a thing? Like, I think I also gifted you something.
Nothing.
Oh, sorry. I gifted like, yeah, sorry. I gifted Cobalt. Bro, summer drift you can buy it also next summer.
one second.
You want thick? No.
I don't want thin is better.
You want thick? I'll tell you. The armored Batman.
No, Metallicus means what is it? Chun-Li.
I just wish like the superhero skin comes near my birthday or after my birthday. I want to just buy it.
Dude, that was so crazy.
I think we
Should I wear my main skin?
What's your main?
default.
Dummy.
Default.
No, dummy. No, we're dummy. That's more bullet might pass through your body.
Yo, stop, bro! Another ruby. This guy has the galaxy. My first time getting a bus fare. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I don't care about arena.
How many you have? How much points do you have?
OP, how much points do you have? Like, are you in Division 5? Oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 7.
More, I need more.
700, yeah, you need 700, something like that.
65 per point.
Okay, that means one kill, we'll get 15 points, right? So I'm gonna cover my bus fare plus I'll get 5 points. What is the use then?
Okay.
What is the use? OP bro, land where we always used to land. Yeah.
Or people are coming.
That is what we wanted to see, duh. You land over there, I'm gonna land in that small hut. Okay.
I landed. Very nice. I got a blue laser. Give me that.
Let's go. A green pump. And firefly. I got 3 firefly. And you got an AK. You got an AR, right?
Yeah, blue laser.
Let's go. There's the guy gliding behind us. Two people gliding. 3 kill. Dude.
I got more
Where?
I see the footsteps. Enable.
Oh yeah.
Dude, you took out my assassin.
No problem.
Yeah. Sorry. He had minis. Thank God.
You wanted?
Yeah, I needed a assassin. I just. Dude, carry me out. Run! Bro, this happened for the first time in my life. Bro, revive me, bro. You wanna die or what?
No, I'm not dying.
I'm gonna drop the firefly. I don't know why did I even pick it up.
Give it.
Yeah.
I'm not good with it, but I know.
कभी हाथ नहीं दे रहा उसमें फिर. One second.
Oh, they're there. Who is here?
For the first time, Lal Rang did not die. I died before him.
Actually, 2
Nice, I fired it. I knocked on guy.
Anyone has an AR?
I cracked one guy. I got a kill. Yes, no. Should be my post.
Anyone has an AR? I just have a pump. Close range.
Here, one AR.
The sniper. CMC, the sniper.
Oh, 1 second. Oh my god, I got cracked.
Shit.
I'm coming. Before he dies. Who died? You knocked it.
Where is it? Where can you go to?
I picked it already.
He's coming.
Arey yaar, aim trim, do not tell me.
I don't have that. I don't have that.
1 sec, dude. Just give us 1 sec. Break this. It's coming. He 1 HP, 1 hit.
Nice.
Okay, now it's time to reward Lal Rang.
Revive him.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Take his ascent.
Another cosmic chest, dude. Die. Dude, no, forget that. Another guy, dude. That's a kid in front of me. Got one.
Yeah,
I'm an
something
SMG.
good.
I'm an SMG player. That's a deagle. That's out of the car. Out of this car.
Remove my ascent from my thing.
The game is
Hanji. Alright, Lal Rang, you're in. Oh yeah, Dad. I. Okay, sorry.
Everyone has got 2 kills.
Oh, I got max.
Take the shot.
I have a pump.
I'm fine. Like I'll be doing long range, it's not close. But I need a shot on it.
1 second, you know, there might. Oh, a shotgun.
Dude, there's not a single shotgun here.
Bro, I just pinned one.
Oh my god, I can't remove things from my inventory or what?
Okay, do one thing. Go to the settings and enable hold to swap.
Where did you mark that?
It is right over. It's a bro. That Lal Rang took it.
what?
You took the green pump, right? That's the green
Okay,
tab.
take the green tab.
There is another pump next to that.
Oh my god, remove this.
There was a pump here.
I'm taking it back. Nice, you got 6 kills.
Oh, I can
now
do another
15
thing.
I
I can make a green. I can make a purple FAMAS.
Only play creative and then little bit pump.
Oh, yeah.
Does anyone have any word? Cause I literally have max everything other than word.
I don't have.
What? Do you want
Give me some
max?
metal.
Metal, okay, come here.
100 metal. Fine. Now you can mark the nuts. Throw the fire.
No, I was fighting like a god in this tech.
You.
Apex? Okay, that guy's a PS4 player, yeah. He might have Apex. Bro, how can even do? I have some loading problem.
Next to my name is there's a PS symbol. Bruh.
Next to your what?
Next to my username.
Oh yeah, I could not see that first one.
I got a purple.
Oh, take it.
Take another.
I have 2 snipers, a purple FAMAS and a normal sniper. Yeah, bro, it shoots so good. I'll tell you details.
In mid-range.
Exactly.
Wow.
Oh, dude, yeah. How? That's a drop coming in.
Oh, yeah, one year they drop.
Yeah. Oh, that was oh, the guy, a guy died over here. Shield. Oh, I saw the shield fish, right? Why didn't I take it? We need to be very careful
We
with it,
wiped
bro.
out this.
Yeah, I think we wiped out. I have max everything.
I have 15
Bro,
points.
we are getting I'm getting profit for the come inside, dude.
You wanna go get the coffee?
Wait for a drop.
Oh, cosmic chest
The
was there.
the drop came. The drop came.
See, whenever killer is online also, I'll get coffee.
That's the guy. That's the guy.
Where?
On me.
I have max food.
Was building was word.
What? From where?
A guy took the guy who I was trying to kill.
Dude, come near me.
Why you?
There's a red knight. This. Essence, brother.
No, I can't.
Hey, Lala, take my reboot and come.
Somebody took his reboot.
Oh, yeah, to my mind.
No, I don't take it. I'll don't do it.
That's what someone took. You revive me.
Lalran, can you revive him? Or can you cause distraction from those people?
Dude, people are boxed up.
Lalran, let's go.
Go.
How?
The bomb didn't shoot him.
Bro, the pump didn't exactly. False alarm. Lalran is dead. Lalran dead on me. Alright.
I 150 or something from the red knight headshot.
That was a red knight. I knocked the red knight. Oh yeah, I
I'm
knocked
in
him.
contender.
He revived all of them.
Yeah, that's bad.
Now I have 15, 30 points.
Oh my god, that means you're in Division 6. No, sorry,
Five.
Division 5.